the leader. Anyway, loves to attend and volunteer in all kind of church activities. Thanks the good Lord for all the years of her life. Lover of Charleston, South Carolina. How about that? 100 years old, youngster. Described as a very kind and entertaining and energetic young man. And loves to have a little cocktail at Mass. Don't mind if I do. Roy, her niece, Brett, of Watertown, South Dakota. 78 years they've been married. They got married on Christmas Day, and there was a blizzard. And their life has been completely ever since into happiness and love. Aquaca, that's my favorite town in Illinois, and that happens to be the home of Roy and Wilma Van Tyne. Happy anniversary, 75 years they've been married. They love to still go to lunch almost every day. And the long marriage, they say, is due in believing in God and loving one another.